Lance! Oh my god, I'm so worried about you. I just gotta tell you something. What is it, Shining Armor? I'm breaking up with you. What the? You serious? I am. I found another girl more interesting from you. And do you want to see her? Don't shove her in my face. That's what you want to do. Okay. Luna? Yes. I'm the new star. Shining Armor, you don't know how sentimental I am. Look, I'm sorry. We're gonna have a wedding. Do you want to join? After you just... Ugh. Did she fall for that? Yep. High five. Friendship! You want to grab some smoothies? Sure. That's the end.